Check this out, this is the concealed hinge jig from Kreg. This jig can be set up and used quickly and easily just about anywhere to install your preferred concealed hinge. Simply adjust the clearly marked cams with a screwdriver to match the offset on the manufacturer's specifications. Then just set the depth of the stop collar with the included onboard Allen key and you're off to the races. And if you're working on a molded door and you are worried about the depth, just overhang the jig over the edge and eyeball it. Fastening holes on most hinges match these guide holes on the jig, so while you've got the jig in place, grab yourself a 2mm bit and bang out a couple of pilot holes. Then fasten your hinge down, quick smart. Otherwise, you can always just use a straight edge to ensure your hinges are perpendicular to the edge of your door. Keep this jig in your sight box or in the drawer of your workshop so you can confidently install concealed hinges with just your cordless. And if you've got any questions at all about the Kreg concealed hinge jig, hit me up in that comment section below. And until next time, I'm Tim and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.